Today we're going to be cooking a traditional carne asada with homemade salsa that I made, believe it or not. Homemade guac, beans with cheese and rice and everything. I'm ready. My beard is ready. Are you ready? Let's go. So now we're creating our seasoning for our carne asada. A little bit of garlic salt, kosher salt, and add crushed pepper. Mix it up together, and that gives it great flavor. Mix it up real good. You want to get yourself a mixing bowl, add some mustard and that special sauce, Worcestershire sauce. You know how to say it. Add some of your favorite beer, and today's beer of choice, Pacifico. Add about 1/3 of the can or half of a regular can. Let me make sure this tastes good. Make sure you mix everything up. After you're done mixing it up, you get your meat and you put it in there, and then you add the seasoning you just made. For this type of carne asada, I got 3 different types of meat. I cut them up and I mix them all together, and that's how I make the burritos and tacos, and it gives it an amazing taste when you mix all 3 together. After you're done, put them all together and mix them up. Make sure you wash your hands before. Add some lemon. You can also add some more beer if you want. Wrap it up and put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring that bell. For the first time in my life, I'm making homemade salsa. My family is surprised and shocked. They can't believe it. Just keep it simple. 4 tomatoes, 1 garlic, 2 jalapenos, half a bunch of cilantro, and half an onion. Well, this is what I came up with. Add some lemon and salt and pepper, and you're good to go. Taste test with the Dorito, of course. I just got this pan grill. Works perfect for grilling steaks, chicken, whatever you want. The meat is almost done, looks good. My mom made some rice and guac. My wife made some chiles and her famous beans, which were fantastic. And for the best part is eating all this good food with family. Love your family. Life is too short. Don't give up on your dreams. Enjoy life. Be grateful and help others.